Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as we take a trip back to 1970, a time when the world was still figuring out what disco was, but Ferrari was already figuring out how to make a car look like something from the future. Enter the Ferrari 512S Modulo, a concept car so futuristic that it could have had its own soundtrack of robotic sounds playing as it glided across the Geneva Motor Show stage. But don't worry, folks, it didn't need any electronic music to make an impact. This car spoke for itself. It's got lines so sharp, it could cut through the air faster than you can say carbon fiber. But let's not just sit here and admire the beauty. Oh no, let's dive into some specifications that'll make your pulse race faster than this beast itself. Before I start, though, if you love weird, wild, and incredibly fast cars like I do, hit that subscribe button. I promise we won't just talk about how fast things go, but how weird they look too. Now, let's dive into the Ferrari 512S Modulo. What a masterpiece! Designed by Paolo Martin at the famed Pininfarina studio, this car was not just a sports car, it was a visual statement of the future. This thing looked like it belonged in a science fiction movie. Its wedge-shaped, low-slung body design made it appear ready for takeoff. If only it had wings. The canopy-style glass roof slid forward to reveal the cabin, giving it a sleek, stealthy vibe. And those wheels? They're partly covered, making the car look even more like something from a different dimension. Under the hood, or should I say in the engine bay, lives a Ferrari 5.0-litre 12-cylinder engine, pumping out 550 horsepower, 305.8 kilowatts. That's not just power, that's a statement of performance. With a top speed of 220 miles per hour, 354 kilometers per hour, and the ability to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds, the Modulo was a monster on the road. Sure, the Modulo was designed as a showpiece, but those specifications are enough to make any car enthusiast break into a cold sweat. The dimensions? It's long and low, with a wheelbase of 405mm, 94.7 inches, a length of 480mm, 176.4 inches, and a width of 2,400mm, 80.3 inches. It measures only 935mm, 36.8 inches in height, which makes it look like it's about to set a speed record on the space, not in ground. The car weighs just 900 kilograms, 184 pounds, giving it that nimble, agile feel when it's pushing the limits. This stunning creation debuted at the 1970 Geneva Motor Show, initially painted in black, but was later repainted white to add a touch of elegance to its already futuristic design. The Modulo won 22 awards for its design, proving that even the most radical ideas can find their place in automotive history. After years of sitting in the spotlight, the Modulo was sold to James Glickenhaus, an American entrepreneur and car enthusiast, in 2014. He's been busy restoring it to its former glory because this car deserves to be seen on the road again. Can you imagine cruising down the street in this thing? You'd have everyone's attention, assuming they could take their eyes off the car long enough to actually look at you.